Hi friends, today we are going to learn installation of Anaconda. It is nothing but integrated development environment for Python. In short, we can call it as IDE. Anaconda is an open source software. You can download this software from any browser. It is a free version. No need to pay anything for the downloading of Anaconda software, which contains Jupyter Notebook and Spider and much more. Anaconda works for R and Python programming language. R language is used by statisticians, and Python programming language is also used for machine learning, artificial intelligence, and image processing, and much more. So, in our uh, upcoming sessions, we are going to learn complete Python from beginning to advanced. Over there, we are using Python programming only. For Python programming, I will be using Jupyter Notebook. So, forwarding to our session, for installation of Anaconda, what I do is I will go to browser and I will show you the installation of Anaconda, and please make a note of Anaconda installation. Let us forward. Yes, now click on start. Now click on any browser, type anaconda.com. Here click on products and go to individual edition. From your individual edition, you can see here your data science toolkit with over 20 million users worldwide. The open source individual edition distribution is the easiest way to perform Python or R data science and machine learning on a single machine developed for solo practitioners. It is a toolkit that equips you to work with the thousands of open source packages and libraries. And here you can find thousands of libraries and packages. While studying Python, we'll be going to know what are packages and libraries. For now, I will download this data science. For now, I will download this Anaconda Navigator. Click on download. It is for Windows. We are going to download for Windows. I will be downloading for 64-bit. It is around 457 MB. It will take some time for download. Please be hold on. It is getting downloaded here. So simultaneously, please you people also try to download Anaconda here. Go to browser and click on anaconda.com. From there go to products and click for individual edition. Over there click on download for Windows. If your desktop is Mac or some other operating system do you have, you click on that. Here in my PC I have Windows, so I am downloading Anaconda in my Windows. Apart from this Anaconda, we have directly we can download Python also. In Python editor also we can write a program and we can run the programs. But here in this Anaconda environment, we can here we have thousands of libraries and packages. Easily we can while typing any packages or libraries, automatically it will pop up you, and it is a user friendly platform. So guys, please download Anaconda only. It is a best practice for your upcoming classes also. And further, if you are going to learn any machine learning or deep learning or artificial intelligence, it will be a very hands-on free for you. So it is getting downloaded. It consists of 457 MB. Already it was downloaded up to 315 MB. Within a minute it is going to complete the download. Then after I will show you how to install this, and then after we'll go to Jupyter Notebook, and we code a code. We will write a code there. Yeah, it is 361 MB. Here guys, we are going to learn complete Python from beginning to advanced. I promise you, I will show you each and every part of code, and I will explain you each and every line of code so that you can understand easily that code, and you can write the code by own. Yes, it is 4.57 MB. Yes, yes, it was downloaded. Now I will click on this one. I will double click on this. It will take me to install. It is verifying. Yes, welcome to Anaconda 3 2020 11 64-bit setup. This is the setup file. Now click on next. From here you need to do I agree. From here it is automatically it was selected. This is the radio button which was selected. Click on just me. So now click on, it was going to save in your C folder, C drive, where your operating system is resides. Click on next. It is showing some error. Destination folder contains one space. This causes problem with several Conda packages. Please consider removing the space. It is saying that some space is there. Now okay, it has been taken out that space. Now click on install. It is showing that it is installing. My PC consists of Windows 10 operating system. No issues if your PC consists of any Windows 7 2007 operating system, or Windows 7 operating system, or Windows 8 8.1, any operating system, you can download this Anaconda, and you can practice the code. Yeah, here it will take some time. It is going to install. Within minutes it is going to install. Simultaneously, you people also please try, and in the upcoming classes, while I am writing the code, you please take your laptop or any desktop and do practice. I will be explaining you each and every line of code slowly and very clearly. If you like my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon also. Why? Because when I upload any new videos, it will pop up you, it will prompt you to watch that videos. Please share with your friends also. It is taking some time. Please hold on. Please hold on, guys. It is taking some time. Once after done with the installation, no need to worry about it. Directly we can open Anaconda, and we go to Jupyter Notebook, and over there we write our code and we'll execute our code line by line. We can execute our code. Very user friendly. Anaconda. It is a platform. It is a platform for writing Python. Here we have different types of platforms in Anaconda, Jupyter Notebook, Spider, all these are there. Yes, It's taking some time. Please be hold on. Yes, it's taking. Yes, it's coming now. It's coming now. Yes, I think already I have discussed about Python. It is an high level programming language. High level programming language. C, C++, Java, and Python are high level programming languages, which are user friendly. Easily in Python, you can write the code. No need of any rocket science. It's taking time. Please be hold on. Yes, yes, it is going to install. It is taking time. Yes, it is taking time. Be patient, guys. Please have a cup of tea. Yes, it will take time. From here, we don't have much more. Here, from there, we need to just go on clicking next, next, and finish. Yes, guys, it will take some more time. So, what you do like after these steps, please go on clicking on next, next, and go to finish. Then after, I will show in the other video that how to start Anaconda, from where we are going to start, how to start, and how to go to Jupyter, and how to write our code. Yeah. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment, like and click on bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.